Hey, John Crestani here, and I run a software company that helps local businesses advertise online, and I'm going to show you how to attract local paying clients to your business, whether you're a marketing consultant or some other sort of consultant. I'm going to show you. Now, we're going to go step by step on my computer, how to do a few things. First off, how to position yourself as a local business association. We're going to be setting up a Facebook page. We're going to be setting up a YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how to create a video ad that'll get clients coming to your business. I'm going to show you some services, some stuff you could sell. Obviously, you can work with marketing tech as an agent and make money doing that. And then I'm going to show you how to close the darn sale and make some money. So let's go right over to my computer and make this money happen. Let's go. The first step is to go to Facebook. And what you'll want to do is you'll want to go over here to this area that says Pages on the very left-hand side, and you'll want to click it. And what you'll want to do is you'll want to set up a new page right there. If you're on a mobile phone, it might show up a little bit differently for you, but you create a new page, and then what you're going to do is you're going to title your page the Business Association of whatever town you're in. So if you're in Malibu, you'll do Business Association of Malibu. Now, for your actual category, what you'll want to select is just, you can really select anything here, but I select Business Center. And what you can also do is you can copy the text that I'm using line by line. The text I use here is the Business Association of Malibu brings together local business owners together to discuss our business. And this is a much better approach than actually saying you are a salesperson for, a merchant processing company or a marketing company or an advertising company or for a payroll company. You're going to be able to connect with businesses a lot easier if you actually are part of a business association or you run the business association. Now, what we're going to do here for profile picture is we're going to use a very simple image right here. If you want to follow along with me and literally use the images I use for the profile picture and cover photo, make sure to check out this link, which is the step-by-step help link, johncrestani.com/help. And you'll see that that goes over to this page, which has a lot of different resources to help you work with my software as well as my strategies. But here we're just going to look at YouTube ad plus local event. And you'll see I have a banner image right here. And we have a nice little pretty image right there. And we also have a profile image that we can use right here. So we're just going to throw those in. Again, if you want to follow along with me step by step, feel free to do so. Now I've uploaded my picture. You see you can kind of reposition this picture by zooming up and down. This is a pretty good image because, again, we're trying to bring business owners together so that we can sell them products or services we're passionate about. So once you're done putting in those pictures, and again, this is very important right here. All this, this picture, having a picture with a lot of people at a meeting will help add a lot of validity to what you're doing and make people more inclined to actually come. So make sure you add that here. These pictures are free on the internet. And you'll see that they want you to connect your page to WhatsApp. No, thank you. Here we have a really beautiful Business Association of Malibu right here. You are the owner of the Business Association of Malibu now. So the next thing you need to do is you need to shoot a video ad. And I created a sample video ad for you right here to get people to your local business association meeting. I'm just going to play it for you. Let's watch. Hi, I'm John Crestani, and I run the local business association of Westlake Village. Now we're going to be having a meeting right here at the office suites Thursday at 6 p.m. to talk about how we can all grow our businesses together in these crazy times. What you'll want to do is you'll actually want to host this at a restaurant or any place you really can. It can be your own home, it can be your apartment, it can be a park, it can be wherever you want it to be. I would suggest if you host at a restaurant and you talk with the owner and you say, hey, I'd like to offer you free promotion, bring people in here. And they'll be buying their own drinks and food. We're just going to have a little meeting of business owners. And really, any business owner is going to go for that. But you can do this anywhere. I'm going to give you a link to my ad in the help document right here if you want to actually take what I said and do a script very similar to it. The next step we do here is that video that we shot right on our mobile phone. What this is going to do is this is going to make us look like a freaking hero to our audience. And we're going to upload this to YouTube. You'll see when you log in to your YouTube studio, right? When you're logged in, you will have a place to upload video. And sometimes if you're on your channel, it might show up as a little icon right up there. It looks like a an old school video camera with the plus icon, or if that's not it, you'll just log in and you'll have this area like this right here, which says upload videos. Now here is where we upload our video. And we're going to be advertising this video. So this is going to cost us a couple bucks, but this is going to bring us some massive clients. This is how we're getting people to us. So what we want to do in the title, it doesn't really matter, but you could say, come to our next meeting. Okay. Really, no one's going to see this, so it doesn't really matter. And we are going to move along here. No, it's not made for kids. We just select this right here. YouTube requires this now. We click next. Okay, video elements, you just click next. Checks, close, and then next. And then visibility, you really just put it as unlisted, so because we're only going to advertise this video, and we're going to then click save. But before we click save, what you want to do is you want to take this video link, okay, this little URL right here, and you want to copy this video link, and you want to throw it in a notepad or something so you can access it later, right? My video advertisement. Once we have our video link, we click save, and you'll notice I just shot a 48-second video here. Nothing spectacular, nothing that takes super long. You can do it within a minute, right? Then we click close. So the next step we want to do is we actually want to advertise this on Google. Okay, so we're going to go to ads.google.com. Once again, you could just search in Google advertisement, but you'll want to go to ads.google.com. And all of this information will be listed out in the help document right here. So once you're in Google Ads, you'll have a few different ways you can set up a campaign. Again, we see a campaign just means an advertisement. You'll see this area right here. We could go under campaigns and we'll get a plus button. No matter what your UI looks like, your user interface, it doesn't really matter. Just click one of them. And we're going to go here and we're going to select new campaign. Now, what we want to do here is we want to select create a campaign without guidance, because you're getting the guidance right here, folks. And then we're going to select video right here, because we want to set up a video advertisement campaign. And then we are going to select custom video campaign. Again, Google has all these ways. They try to kind of suck money from us and make it easier, but it really doesn't help, and it just wastes a lot of money. So we're going to go here. What your campaign name is doesn't matter. So I could literally just say YouTube test, doesn't matter, right? No one's ever going to see this, okay? But Malibu Biz Association ad. And for our campaign total, what I would recommend you spend when you're advertising, I recommend you spend $250. We're going to spend this over the course of about a week or two. So depending on when you schedule out your video ad to be, start date next week and then going up until the 27th. So then you have $10 daily going for 10 days. And that means roughly 1,000 people in your local area every single day will see your ads. That's a lot of people and should give you a lot of reach and hopefully bring a lot of folks to your local event. Now, we want to move downwards and we want to select this area right here, which says YouTube search results, networks, etc. And what you want to do is you want to get rid of these two selections. This is not relevant for what we're doing, and this will waste your money. It's just a way to Google for Google to drain your credit card. Okay, then we go over here to advanced search because we need to set the location for where we're advertising. In some cases, you can play around with this. In some cases, you might want to try sort of radius targeting. So maybe we want to do a 5-mile radius within Agora Hills, which captures some of the other neighborhoods around there that are related and close by, like Westlake Village and Oak Park. The easiest solution would be just to actually select the city you live in itself. And in Malibu's case, you'll see Malibu is a long town. But the problem with just doing Malibu is we don't get a lot of these areas around here, which is also basically Malibu. But either way, we can kind of target those areas. We could say, let's do a Malibu, a 10-mile, or a 5-mile radius. We could try that too. And you'll see right there, we start getting some of those areas. So we could just do both, and I'll click save. Okay, we have our targeting. We have the language set up. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna scroll down, and we're gonna set our bid at 25 cents. It's not actually going to be 25 cents, but this way we're gonna make sure that our ads get shown and fast. Costs on YouTube are going up a lot lately, so that's what we wanna do. Now this is the point where we take that YouTube video that we shot and uploaded. It took you a minute to shoot because you aren't scared of shooting videos. And we're gonna take that URL and we are gonna take that over here and paste it in. And you'll see what we want to select here is skippable in-stream ad. Okay, this is going to reach people. This is going to make you look like a celebrity because, again, you're showing up on their screen. So for the URL that you're going to put in, I would just put in the website address of the restaurant or the city you're in. You really don't need to do anything complicated here. You could literally select google.com because the point of the ad is not actually to get people to click the ad as much as it is to get people to actually learn about the time and place that a meeting is happening for them to learn about to grow their business. So again, it's not about getting folks to click the ad, it's about getting folks to write down the time and place that they'll need to go to learn about how to grow their business in their local area. And folks are desperate for human connection nowadays, so you'll be able to capitalize off of folks just wanting a reason to get out. Or small businesses are dying like crazy right now. So again, people are looking for ways to earn money, or people are looking for ways to market themselves and grow their business. And you're gonna be able to show them how to do that. So right here, we just did this. Doesn't matter what our ad's named, and we click create campaign. And that's it. As you see, folks, this was a really simple process to set up our advertisement here. Now the next step is actually we're gonna have to figure out what services to sell and showing up. So there's a lot of things you could sell to local business owners. You can sell them merchant processing, you can sell them advertising, you could sell them payroll or compliance related materials, you could sell them. But one of the best things is ads or marketing. Merchant processing is obviously a huge business where a lot of local consultants make money. But if you're a lawyer, a bookkeeper, a mortgage loan officer, any sort of thing, you can create referral networks, whatever you want to do, working with a lot of local business owners, getting them all in one spot. So there's many benefits for you being the ringleader of the local business association. But let's work with my software, shall we? I mean, we can use my software and you can make money off of it. So I'm going to show you how to make money with my software and do ads. So for that, we're going to go to the marketing tech sign up, which is johncrestani.com/MT. Folks are earning thousands of dollars a month with our software. You earn commissions by promoting local businesses in your area with 10 clicks. You click anywhere on this page to sign up and it'll get you started. Once you finish the sign up process, you'll be able to see what commissions you are earning, how many clients you have. You will get 30% of whatever people spend on advertising. And this is completely free. We don't charge. You aren't required to pay money. There are higher tiers where you can earn more commissions and get more resources, get your own custom domain, etc. But if you're just on the free tier, you will earn 30% of whatever local businesses spend on advertising. So that can be a lot of money. The average local business spends about $2,000 a month on marketing related expenses, whether that's, sponsoring a magazine or sponsoring a local little league team or whatever. They might not call it advertising, but they're spending $2,000 a month on marketing related items. So you could get 30% of that, and all you need is a few clients and you've got your recurring passive income. So I'm not going to go too much deeper into marketing tech, but what you'll want to do is you'll want to make sure you have your link so you can follow up with folks and send them your landing page link, which will allow businesses to sign up with you and become paying clients. So you'll want to save that. And now you have a business. We're going to pay you through Stripe every single month. We've partnered with Stripe to do all of our payouts. So you get paid every single month through a direct deposit to your bank account, 30% of whatever your clients spend. Now, the last step we want to do here is we want to actually come prepared to this meeting with business cards. And fortunately for you, I have a business card template right here that you can use and print out for your business cards, if assuming you are working with marketing tech to sell advertising to local businesses. And as you see here, all you have to do, the way you can copy this, is you'll want to open up this file, which is johncrestani.com/mt-bizcard, okay? Or you can go back to the help document and just follow the instructions on the help document right here. As you see, all of the links that I've been going over are on this document right here, and you can, I have information on how to use the business cards, how to print them out online or from your computer. Very simple if you need that extra step-by-step. In my case, I'm not going to go over the full thing of how to order the business cards and what have you, but I'll show you quickly how to get access to this file. So the first thing is you want to come up here to the file link. Okay, a lot of this stuff will be grayed out for you when you open up this. And you'll want to click right here, which is make a copy. When you click make a copy, you just click OK. And you will have a copy of this business card that you are able to edit. You could say whatever your name is, whatever your phone number is, whatever your email address is. And as you see, then you show up to the meeting. You do you say whatever you like. You say, hey, I just wanted to bring people together to talk about how you could grow your businesses. I do local advertising in this area. I get people on Instagram, Facebook, Google, YouTube. You may have seen my ad. That's why you're here. And I can help that happen for your business. If you want a business card, just ask me. Otherwise, let's all get to know each other. However you want to do it, right? You don't need to say much. But what you're doing is very powerful, is you're bringing people together, and you're able to use advertising to bring people together locally. So utilize this for your business. Let me know if this helps, and let me know in the comments what you found most interesting about this video and how you're going to apply this to either your business or maybe you're going to create a business. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. This is John Crestani, and give me a big hoorah.